CSIR Structural Engineering Research Center. This is one of the national laboratories under Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, which was established in 1965. This 60 years old organization has come up with a number of indigenous technologies. One such recent technology is emergency retrieval system. In way back in 2014, when Central Electrical Authority came up with the National Electrical Policy, where they insisted the power line companies to have a emergency retrieval system for every 5,000 circuit kilometer. So when the power company were looking for a solution, there were only two companies across the globe, one in US and the other one in Canada. So our power companies had difficulties to acquire this, and also we have to spend a lot of foreign exchange, and the terms and conditions also were cumbersome. So then, keeping this in view, CSIR SCRC thought, why can't we develop an indigenous system where the Make in India as well as Atmanirbhar Bharat and import substitution, all these will be based on these policies, whether we can come out with a solution. So when we looked at the designs which is available, we wanted our design to be totally different from whatever is existing, and also cost effectiveness, and our own industries can take up, so that it is indigenous project which can go across the globe also. So with that, the team worked on this at a tower testing research station of CSIR SCRC, and they came up with a solution called emergency retrieval system. The unique features of these systems, I'll just will be telling. It's a lightweight modular system. This particular technology is scalable from 33 kilovolt to 800 kilovolt, and also the savings is around 60%, and it is very easy to transport as well as erect, and also the connections are very simple. And the novelty in this case is a gimbal joint which is of around 30 kgs weight, while the existing system which were being imported had a weight of 200 kg. And all these made this system very much attractive. And also, not only we developed the system, we have also tested the system at our tower testing research station at Chennai. So all kinds of tests which are required, we have done it, we have qualified this, and we have also demonstrated a couple of these in our campus. So after which we went for the industrial collaboration, and one company, they came forward to take up the technology, Mrs. Advaita Infrastructure. In 2020, we have transferred this technology to them. Then later, two other companies in 2025, they take up this technology, and right now it is under production, and all these companies have also got orders from Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. And recently in Jammu and Kashmir, during a disaster, there were a number of tower failures, and Mrs. Advait has installed this system at one of the locations, which is in Udhampur district of Jammu and Kashmir. So this particular technology is right from conceptualization and the scientific research, as well as converting it to technology, scaling up, and then finally implementation in field. It has undergone the whole cycle, and we are really happy about it. Like our own technology we can see in our own country, and later this may also go outside, as the one of the companies, they have received orders from abroad also. August they have installed it, and the another unique point is this takes only a couple of days to install this. The power can be restored, and because of which there will be saving of money. Say for example, if we assume that a power 500 megawatt of power is being transmitted through this, we are going to save around 67 crores. Nearly earlier the loss will be around 100 crores. Now we can 2/3 we can save it. So that is the kind of impact this particular technology will be giving us. Installation, It takes around, the tower can be erected in 2 or 3 days, but the entire thing will take around 10 days. So restoration will take place in 10 days, while the tower can be erected in 2 to 3 days. To protect our technology, whatever we have put a lot of efforts to protect that, we have filed patents based on this particular technology. 2 patents have been filed in India, one for the whole system, the other one for the gimbal joint. And while keeping in view the original, whatever is available right now, one in US and one in Canada, there are companies who are manufacturing it. So keeping in that in view, we have also filed in US and Canada for the whole system. So other thing is, the cost of this particular system is around 18 crores. One system is 18 crores, and recently this has been installed in our own country, our own technology. So the one of our industry partner has also received orders from outside countries. So soon we can see this being installing in other than India. We'll also see outside India. We'll be seeing this being installed.